Okay, so I'm going to show you how you're going to take your notes. You're going to take this green sheet, you just need one, and then you're going to cut on the dotted lines right up to the solid. So I'm going to do the last one right now. Okay, so hit pause and work on that, and then when you're back, you're going to fold down on this line, like so, and then we're going to put a little glue, like there, and then we're going to glue onto your notebook, just like that. So we're going to have doors. So you see how these flap open? Okay, so we're going to talk about the types of numbers that we have in our number system, in the real number system. There is other number systems, but for right now we're going to focus just on this one. So it's going to start in a building process. So we're going to start with natural, and it's going to build going down. So natural is our smallest set. Natural numbers you want to think about are, so open up your flap, they are your counting numbers. So you want to think of like a little kid counting. They're going to count, start at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. Remember the dot, dot, dot means keeps going. So a little kid's not going to start saying fractions, or is not going to say decimals. They're not going to go with our negative numbers. So counting numbers is that. All right, next one we have is whole numbers. Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. So I like to think about the whole, the O, as a 0. I think about that. Okay, so whole and 0. So it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, dot, dot. Keeps going on and on. All right, now integers. We've dealt with integers all year so far. So integers, we're going to say are whole numbers or their opposites. The only number that doesn't have an opposite is our 0. So we can have -3, -8, 8, 3, 0 is an integer, 1, -11, -2,000, +2,000. Okay? Now rational numbers are going to be any number that can be written as a fraction. 0 cannot be in the denominator, because that makes no sense. So 1/3, 0.8, -3.2, 47/3, 8.11. Anything that can be written as a fraction. 0 can't be in the denominator because that's not a number. All right. Real numbers, okay, are all our numbers, okay, numbers including natural, whole, integers, and rational. Also, irrational. We'll talk about irrational on Monday when we get to class. Okay? All right, so what you're going to do right now is you're going to make sure this is in your notebook, glued in, and then you're going to take a short quiz. When you're taking the quiz, use your whole numbers. Okay? Actually, do me one favor. Go back to your whole numbers, and let's write like the square root of 36, because that equals 6. So you want to evaluate the square roots. That'll help out a lot. Okay, actually, square root of 36 would be a counting number too, because that would be 6. All right, so take the Canvas quiz.